Hi guys, Kevin Rogers, Bobby Garland TV. I want to walk you through a couple different style baits made from Bobby Garland. We're here at Bobby Garland's factory today, 20,000 square foot facility here in Tulsa, Oklahoma, right off historical Route 66. All these different style baits and 81 different colors for you to choose from. Surely you can find your favorite. All these cool different style baits Bobby Garland comes out with. My favorite, we talk about this quite a bit, not everyone's favorite, my favorite is a 3-inch slab slayer by Bobby Garland, and that's in Junebug. Then you have the complete, total polar opposite of that, which is the new Itty Bit. I mean, that is a great photo of two totally different style baits. Both catch crappie, right? Black and pink Itty Bit compared to the 3-inch slab slayer. That's amazing. Both of them have their place. Both of them catch fish. Stroll'R, pretty unique bait with this really cool tail. This thing works absolutely amazing when you're casting to the bank. A lot of long line trollers. Brad Chappell down in Mississippi, one of the best long line guys in the world, uses this. This is the Stroll'R with this unique tail. It has a really cool action to it. And then the #1 selling bait in all of America, and hopefully everyone's used one of these, just a baby shad. Bobby Garland baby shad, and that's an excellent color there. That's electric chicken. So Bobby Garland, with all these different styles and 81 different colors to choose from, go find your favorite one.